What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Lisa, and I'm back with another video. If you guys have already watched my previous video, I was explaining that I was going to be uploading my cooking video. So I am a little bit late with uploading it, but I hope you guys. Yes. Okay, I don't know what you're saying, but okay. Yeah, you're ow. Anyway, guys, if you guys have not done so already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notification bells, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what type of videos you guys would like to see. I'm open to everything, guys. So, without further ado, I'm going to jump into that video. Show the clip of the video. Show the video of me cooking the stuff, guys. So, stay tuned. Y'all, it's your girl Elise coming back at you with another video today. Today's video is going to be a cooking video. Now, you don't usually do these, but I said, well, let's give it a try. So today's video is going to be me making some homemade crab baked macaroni. Let me say that again. I don't know if I said it right. Baked macaroni with real crab meat inside of it. So I tried it at this restaurant, and to be honest, it was not good at all. So I was like, I probably could do way better than that. So I was going to do a video showing you guys how I did it. And if I did it, these are the ingredients that I also having with that baked macaroni some fried fish. I don't know if you guys have heard of I don't know if you guys have heard of Captain D's. I know that where I'm from, I'm in Virginia, that they have them, and their fish are like super good, nice and thick and stuff. So we decided to get that type of fish to eat with it. So we're gonna have fried fish with that, and I'm gonna show you what else. Okay, guys, so I know you really can't see too much, hey guys, but I'm recording this from my phone because I haven't gotten a camera yet. But anyway, so this is the first one I'm about to put in. If I can ever figure out how to open it. You know what I hate, guys? How they say right here, they'll say, what it say? Insert thumb and lift to open. Who wants to do that and break their nails if you have them? It hurts. So what I'm going to do, well, what I was going to do, oh yeah, if I can find the right knife. Pop this bad boy open, because it don't make no sense to sit there and hurt yourself. We don't have to. So while I'm doing this, guys, I want you guys to let me know what type of videos you guys want to see, you know? Like, let me know, you know? And excuse my attire, but I'm home and, you know, I'm doing me. Alright, so I boiled my water. I don't know if I showed you guys. I boiled my water and now I'm about to put salt in there. There's that. 1 second, guys. So how's everybody's day been going? Let me know. Sorry guys, I don't have a what's that thing called? I don't have a, I forgot what it's called. A tripod or anything right now. Like I said, I'm doing from my phone. So you guys gotta bear with me. Please. Thank you. I don't know, I just been kind of really wanting this. Oh my God, guys. I forgot to take this out. See, moving so fast. Forgot to take it out. I was about to pour it right in there. That's crazy. That's my fault, though. Whew. And while doing all of that, I have me a rock star. Because I need some energy. But, yeah, so we're going to let this boil. Let me turn on this light. Okay, so we're going to let this boil a little bit. Let this cook. Now, I just moved into my place, so I really don't have no pots or anything. So I'm using the, what's that, Copper Chef big pan, like wide pan for this, because I don't have a lot of pans right now. But, anyway, I'll be back when this is done. Alright guys, I'm back now. So I am now about to mix everything up and put it in the pan so you guys can see how it comes out. Stay tuned. So now I'm going to be mixing the ingredients. And I have my noodles. Hold on, let me get my spoon. And the spoon. Got my noodles. Not too. Oh, it's hot. Not too. I'm trying to like dump it, but I don't want to make a mess. But yeah, they're not too dry, not too mushy. Ooh, hot though. Hot, hot, hot. Ooh. All right, so that's that. All right. And then I have the eggs. Oh wait, no, not the eggs first. What am I thinking? Don't mind me, guys. I'm like tripping. Okay. Seasonings. I put a little salt and pepper in before I do, before I put it in the pan. And then I put more on top after. But I have to use, I don't know how big it is, but lactate. Because your girl's lactose intolerant and can't use the canned milk, unfortunately. So that sucks. But in my opinion, lactate milk is more sweeter and like, I don't know, it tastes better to me. I'd rather buy this than regular whole milk and stuff. So, let me get my measure, huh? Okay. I'll be right back, guys. So I'm gonna do the eggs now. I don't know what Pandora's doing. My measuring cup for my milk. But I thought I had some scissors, but I'm gonna have to use a knife for now. That is the daughter Alasia over there, running around, acting crazy. Got the knife in the end. Whew. I hope this comes out good, y'all, because this is my first time doing it like shrimp. I mean, not shrimp, crab. I hope this comes out good. I really do. I really, really do, guys. Whew. Did it come off? Okay. There's some cheese. You see the cheese, Alasia? Yummy. Cheese. I be trying to get like every little squeeze out. Like, it don't be working though. It really don't. Look at that. I'm trying now. Because the cheesier, the better. Alright. Over there. And then like to stir it a little bit. Don't get all dried up. Okay, and for the newcomers, if you guys haven't done so already, please make sure you like this video, like all my other videos, watch them, subscribe, comment. I receive all types of feedback with open arms. So, yeah. And for the second one, Elijah, what are you doing? Get out of there. Go with Daddy. Go eat your crackers with Daddy. Okay. Here we go with the knife again. Here we go with the knife again. And she's back. Oh, Lord Jesus. All right. Like, I just have a feeling that this cheese, this baked macaroni is going to be like really, really good. Like, I hope so. I really, really do. Let me know down below too if you guys have ever done this. You know, post pictures if you can. Can you post pictures on YouTube? I don't even know. Like, you know, let me know what you guys think. And let me know if I can make any improvements. What you guys use. I might try another recipe and see what, you know, try your guys' recipe and shout you out. Whew, okay. Me trying to be greedy, getting all the cheese out. You hear that? I don't know if you can hear it, but it's starting to come along a little bit. I still got to do some more stirring, but you guys see it? I don't know if you see it. Yeah. I think this should be enough macaroni. Because I'm putting it in, I don't know if you guys can see, I'm putting it in one of these type of pans. So, you know, it should be nice and thick and good. Matter of fact, I'm talking. I haven't even preheated my oven. I'm sitting here talking and talking. Make sure this is nice and coated everywhere. Whew. Maybe I'm supposed to lose it. Okay, Google. Play music.
Playing some music on Pandora.
By the way, I don't know what type of music they're playing. Okay, Google. Play Boot Up.
Okay, here's the Pandora station called Buddha.
Not Buddha. Oh my goodness. Okay, Google. Play Boot Up by Ella.
Sure, asking Pandora to play some music.
I don't know. I don't know what. Okay. I don't know. I'm gonna let it play. Just let it play. Do its thing. Alright. Hey guys, I am back now. Sorry. Okay, so now I am Sorry guys, like I told you, I am recording from my phone and had a phone call. But I am back now. Whew. Guys, this is a lot of meat. My husband was like, forget it, just do it. By the way, guys, okay Google, play Booed Up by Ella.
Sure, asking Pandora to play some music.
I don't know. And for that one, we will be posting the other. So, like I said, I'm lactose intolerant, but I love some cheese. Cheese it up with everything. This is gonna be so good, guys. If I can get it, you know. But anyway, I will be back when I have it in the pan. All right, guys. So right now, I told my husband to put that in the, in the refrigerator, and he put the milk on top of the refrigerator. Okay. Anyway, this is the product before I put it in the oven. Alright, so here it is. We had some leftovers, so I decided to put it in there. Got a little bit of Old Bay seasoning and pepper on top. So now I will be popping these in the oven, and I will be back to show you what they guys. So I just wanted to show a little update of the macaroni in the oven. It's not done yet, but I just want to show you guys how it's coming along. This is the first one that's starting to come along. The cheese is starting to bubble up. And yeah, so so this is the finishing touch. I hope it comes out looking good. I mean, tasting good. I hope so, guys. So my husband wanted to take a, he didn't even give me a chance to. Here's a plate, honey. The plate over here. Nice and cheesy. Focus that. Nice and cheesy. Okay, babe. So you taste it and let me know what you think. He doesn't want to be on camera, guys, so he took the whole scoop. Oh, you dropping stuff, babe. Did I do better than the other place? He says yes. I did better, babe. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. He's gonna start on the fish. He's frying the fish and stuff. So I'll be back to show you guys what that looks like when it's done. Hey guys, let me start off by saying I am so sorry. I know I promised you guys that I was going to have an upload last night. I don't know if you're on Eastern time, then it's a whole new day. But I promised you guys last night that I was going to upload, but I'm recording from my phone, and my phone was acting up. It really was. But I'm getting ready to upload right now as we speak. So if you guys like that video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you guys never miss a video, never miss an upload. And I love you guys. If you guys would like more videos like that, please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.